Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about the Adclerks review. I have ran a campaign on Adclerk. It's Adclerks advertising platform. Here you can also join as a publisher and also as an advertiser. I have run a campaign on Adclerks maybe last 2 months ago, and now I will show my campaign results. View completed ads. You don't have any completed ad campaigns. I don't know why they have removed my ad campaign. If I go to my account section and go to my transactions, you will see that I have already deposited $15 in this website. Account credited from card. I released my payment from my Pioneer card, and website ad purchase one new. If I click view more, view ad stats, buy ads from our marketplace, they even they didn't show my stats, my advertising stats. So I already advertise, that means I bought a space from Adclerks from this website. Actually I bought an ad space from this website, free cryptocurrency, freethitter.com, and in Adclerks they showed that their traffics come from United States 6.24%, and if I go to my similar web extension, United States 4.15%. Yeah, it's little bit same, 6.24 and 4.15. I got per 1,000 impressions. There its ad systems is per 1,000 impressions. That means if I want to purchase this ad space view, and if I go to checkout option, minimum card value is $5. That means you have to spend $5 to buy an ad space from Adclerks. And I also bought an ad from this site. Please just look this website. This website is actually a single web page and nothing. And when I published my ads on this website, I didn't see my ad where they published the ad, and if I check, they are already they showed that their main traffic comes from United States, which is 11.34%. and if I go to the similar web, we are sorry, but the similar web doesn't show the data because maybe they didn't connect their website to the Google Analytics. Okay. It is interesting that I got more than 100,000 impressions, and I got only 12 to 13 clicks. I am not showing you that because they have removed my ad campaigns stats, but if I go to my CPA grip account, I will show you that stats overview. I ran this campaign on March, custom date it will be March March and March 31, March 1 to 31. If I go, I got only 6 clicks and 17 views, but I got more than 100,000 impressions from this site, only from this site. A few minutes ago I told that I bought an ad space from this website, but I didn't see my ad from this website. I don't know why. When I ran a campaign from on this site also showed my ad, and I was able to show my ad at the bottom right corner or bottom left corner. Okay, I'll say that maybe this Adclerks platform sent bot traffic to your website, and that's why I can't generate any leads from my CPA offer. If you are a CPA marketer, maybe you will know what is the CPA offer, and I have just wasted my hard money to invest in this site. And if I go to the Google, if I type Adclerks reviews in Trustpilot, you can see the customer reviews. This website hold 1.7 out of 5. That means very bad. Total scam company, a user Disha, he wrote that total scam company, they never sent a payment, sends a check and fails payments themselves, so receiver can't do anything. Maybe he is a publisher, he or she is a publisher, they never pay all your dues. Scam. Maybe he is a publisher. Low quality of traffic. There was an ad place I paid for, and for 20 days I barely got clicks, like 5 or something. Yeah. A few minutes ago I told that I got only 10 to 20 clicks for 10 to 20 clicks behind the more than 100,000 impressions. Suddenly there are more than 60 clicks on my ads from the same person. Fake. Yeah, stay, it is a scam. They are a complete scam. If you put an ad, they take your money but don't allow you to put any ad. Really, I put an ad only $5 by fortune, and at the moment of putting the ad pops me up a message saying an error. I sent an email and they never answered me. They literally stole my $5. So I paid for ad space, but the ads are not showing on the website I paid for. So if you read those review from the Trustpilot website, you will get an idea about the Adclerks. As a CPA marketer, you run an ad campaign on Adclerks or not? Maybe I think you have get the idea about Adclerks. Is it scam or legit? But they have some good websites, link collider, webstat.com, but those sites are expensive. I ran an ad campaign on Adclerks instead of Facebook or Google ads, because you know that Facebook and Google doesn't allow gift card offers or affiliate link, directly share affiliate link. If they caught that you are promoting affiliate offers through Facebook or Google, they will suspend your ad account. So that's why I use this Adclerks website. instead of Facebook and Google. And also you should, before run any ad campaign on any ad platform, I think I will suggest you to research on this advertising platform from the Google. Other advertisers actually what is said about this website. That means in one word, I want to say that in one word I want to say that you need to learn the review, or try to watch the review from a specific website, from YouTube or Google. This my tutorial is very long and maybe you will get bored, so please now I want to stop this tutorial. Please leave a comment section in the comment box below if you run an ad campaign and on Adclerks. And so if you find this tutorial is really helpful, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and goodbye.